This is your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Brian Neudorff.
Well, what a difference a day makes. We had a cold front move through that produced mostly in the way some real quick bursts of snow showers, and those could have been problematic for people traveling across the area, but we haven't had that problem since, and we've actually had a good deal of sunshine, a few high clouds, but compared to where we were 24 hours ago, we've ranged anywhere from about, for most of us, anywhere from about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than we were 24 hours ago, 3 degrees warmer in Haley, 5 degrees warmer than 24 hours ago in Twin Falls, 8 degrees warmer in the Burley area. Really the cold spot that was colder than they were yesterday is the Boise area. As far as the healthy living, well, here's how we see things. For you pollen sufferers, it's mostly the trees from juniper, ash, birch, maple. On the high side there, mold still not much better at the moderate, but with the sunshine we're going to see over the next few days, get used to that one. The UV index today and tomorrow are going to be on the high side and continue through the rest of the week. Temperature-wise, it's still cool compared to average. We're at 53 degrees. We should probably be more in around the 60s at this time of year. 53 right now in Elko, Vegas at 73. In fact, they were quite warm yesterday with 80s and 90s. As you look here at the satellite and radar, there's a little weak disturbance. That's what's bringing those high clouds to the area, quickly pushing through. It's sparking maybe a flake or two up as you go up towards the Sun Valley, Haley area, but that will quickly push through. Clear as we go overnight. Winds are light, and that's why I'm thinking by tomorrow morning we're going to have some chilly temperatures. So speaking of those temperatures, despite the chilly start, by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, high temperatures right around 60 degrees, maybe even, I think, a little bit warmer than that. I think we're 63 in Twin Falls and mid-50s to upper 50s in the Haley area. As we head into Thursday, 4 o'clock there, 65 Jerome, 66 Twin Falls, Burley 64, maybe I think even warmer than that. I think we're just a few degrees shy of 70. We're going to have a lot of sunshine, not going to have a lot of wind, and I think, well, a little bit breezy on Thursday, but not as windy as we've seen. So speaking of the winds, Futurecaster here, midday, variable winds. Generally speaking, they're going to be light, so not a bad day if you're not a big fan of the wind. Now, it does turn a bit breezy as we head into Thursday. Here we are Thursday afternoon, and we're generally looking at anywhere from 10 to 20, 10 to 15 miles an hour coming out of the west, but still not as strong as what we had over the weekend and what we had yesterday. The overall trend over the next several days, it keeps getting better with each time as we pass through. So here's the overall pattern change as we head into the weekend, and we'll notice this Friday and continue into Saturday. Winter weather ends. This is where still there is snow on the ground throughout parts of the Dakotas and parts of Minnesota. For us, well, it's going to get warmer, and that's going to help too push temperatures, maybe even mid-70s by Saturday. Wood River forecast, patchy clouds, chilly, 22 Sun Valley, 27 in Cary. Across the western Magic Valley from Gutting all the way to Wendell, you're looking at temperatures near 30 or a few upper 20s, light winds, and then as we head into Twin Falls County, right around 30 degrees from Buell over to Murtaugh. Mid-20s, 24 degrees around the Jackpot area and the Minnecaja area. Patchy clouds clearing late, 28 Rupert, 29 Albion, 27 Malta. Tomorrow, 57, lots of sunshine, nice and mild by the afternoon. 63, seasonal, sunny skies, warmer for the Magic Valley and the Minnecaja area. 60, lots of sunshine, nice and warmer. What does the rest of the week? Where do those 70s appear? Stick around. I have it all coming up in your 7-day forecast. And here's your all-season 7-day forecast. 68 degrees as we go into Thursday. I'm going to go breezy with the winds there, 10 to 15, maybe 20 miles an hour. Shouldn't be nearly as bad as it has been, and 68 degrees, we'll take it. 72 on Friday, and yes, maybe even 75 degrees by Saturday. I'm going to I cooled things off a little bit on Sunday, back into the 60s, but still nice, 68 and 66, 69. Definitely looking very good, even as we go into the early part of next week across the Magic Valley. For the mountains, more of the same. Very nice conditions. Clouds around Saturday, Sunday, but sunshine as well. Both Friday, Saturday, 68 degrees. Sunday at 60, maybe dipping down into the 59 degrees on Monday, 60 on Tuesday. So I dare you, find a complaint there with that 7-day forecast given the 2 weeks we had. You can write in. I like to see those.
Hopefully spring has arrived.
Let's hope so.
All right.